Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can delete all promotion mails from your Gmail account. So sadly you cannot do that by the Gmail app, so we have to open the web browser. Now go to gmail.com and remember to switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now expand the More section. Tap on the promotions and select all the mails. On this checker, if you want to select more than 50, how you can see, now this button appears, just tap on it, and now you can delete it by the trash icon. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.